In front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark VII, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard. Before we begin, a quick disclaimer though, this option is only available from SONY default keyboard, which is Tributt. So you don't need to download anything, just launch Tributt and click on this icon of a clipboard at the top of it. Then activate it thanks to this switcher at the top right corner, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, you need to copy or cut any text. And to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text here. Now, most people don't know that anything you'll input into Clipboard will disappear after an hour. If you want to keep it here without it deleting itself, you need to hold it and pin it by tapping on pin icon. If you will ever wanna unpin it, you can do that the same way. If you want to delete anything from your Clipboard, you can either swipe it to the right or hold it and use this pin icon. Last but not least, to disable Clipboard completely, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!